Hi, my name is Rachel Toom. Welcome at ISE 2020 at the SmartMetals booth. This year in the digital signage area we are introducing our Samsung OMN-D solution. You can use it either for fasten to the floor, fasten to the ceiling, fastening it between the floor and the ceiling with a double kit, and having it freestanding as it is displayed here. The kit itself is universal for the 46-inch and the 55-inch, but the base plate makes it monitor specific. Ideal is that it comes in a very compact box. It is a very light set to install. We have a very clear mounting instruction, which also shows how you can adjust the unit in height. And it is already from stock for a couple of months. So all the data is already in our catalogs and on our website at smartmetals.nl.